Learning about the strategies rich people use to multiply their wealth is like unlocking the secrets to financial success. By understanding these strategies, you can pave the way for your own prosperity. But have you ever wondered what sets the wealthy apart from the rest? What specific tactics do they employ to build and grow their fortunes? In today's video, we delve into the fascinating world of financial education and explore the strategies that rich people utilize to multiply their wealth. It's a journey filled with excitement and curiosity as we uncover the secrets behind their success. Have you ever wondered what sets the wealthy apart from the rest of us? How do they manage to accumulate and grow their fortunes? These questions stir a sense of intrigue and aspiration within us, driving our desire to learn and emulate their strategies. So, without further ado, let's embark on this enlightening exploration and discover how we too can pave the way to financial abundance and prosperity. 1. The power of meticulous expense tracking. The commitment to meticulous expense tracking isn't just about numbers and spreadsheets. It's about instilling a sense of discipline and responsibility towards one's financial well-being. For affluent individuals, it's a journey that begins with a deep understanding of the value of money and the importance of making informed decisions. There's a sense of empowerment that comes from knowing exactly where each dollar is spent, a feeling of control over one's financial destiny. It's not merely about restricting spending, but rather about making deliberate choices that align with their long-term goals and aspirations. By adhering to a structured budgeting method, they prioritize their financial health and lay the groundwork for a secure and prosperous future. Beyond the practical benefits, there's also an emotional aspect to meticulous expense tracking. It fosters a sense of accountability and mindfulness in their financial habits, cultivating a mindset of abundance rather than scarcity. There's a satisfaction that comes from seeing their efforts translate into tangible results, whether it's watching their savings grow or achieving their financial milestones. It's a journey marked by discipline, perseverance, and a commitment to financial excellence. And through it all, there's a sense of pride in knowing that they are actively shaping their financial future and creating opportunities for themselves and their loved ones. In essence, meticulous expense tracking isn't just a financial strategy. It's a way of life for the wealthy, guiding them towards lasting prosperity and fulfillment. 2. The role of financial discipline. Wealthy individuals consistently stress the vital role that financial discipline plays in their journey to prosperity. Whether asked about becoming rich or achieving success in general, they emphasize the significance of discipline at every stage. This principle holds true regardless of the specific path one chooses to follow. For instance, if your aspiration is to secure a high-paying job, you must possess the discipline to pursue a quality education, which often entails years of rigorous study and preparation. The commitment to maintaining discipline throughout this educational journey is non-negotiable, as it lays the groundwork for future success. Similarly, if your path to riches involves building a business, discipline becomes the cornerstone of your success. Dedicating yourself to your company's growth and development, even when your peers are enjoying social gatherings and leisure activities, is a testament to the strength of your financial discipline. As you make more money, financial discipline becomes even more crucial. It's vital to understand that your income level doesn't solely determine your wealth. Your ability to save and invest wisely is the ultimate determining factor. Wealthy individuals recognize that saving money is a fundamental component of building lasting wealth. 3. The art of living below your means. Contrary to the stereotype of millionaires living lavishly and spending extravagantly on luxury goods, many wealthy individuals are, in fact, prudent spenders who adhere to a lifestyle that aligns with their financial means. They understand the importance of living below their means to avoid the pitfalls of the income trap. The income trap ensnares individuals as their earnings increase, leading to a corresponding increase in spending. For example, a modest sedan may more than adequately fulfill your transportation needs when your annual income is $50,000. However, as your earnings double or even triple, you might be tempted to upgrade to a luxury vehicle driven by the belief that your improved financial status warrants such indulgences. This surge in spending is often governed by Parkinson's law, which suggests that spending tends to match the amount available for spending. However, this mindset can lead to financial insecurity and the inability to build lasting wealth. The concept of living below your means is not just for the wealthy. It's a practice that can benefit anyone on the path to financial security and success. By adopting a lifestyle that aligns with your current financial status, you can free up resources to allocate towards savings, investments, and wealth-building activities. 4. The wealth-building power of strategic investments. Strategic investments play a pivotal role in the journey to wealth accumulation. Unlike traditional savings accounts, which offer minimal interest, investments provide the opportunity for substantial returns and long-term financial security. By diversifying their investment portfolios across various assets, individuals aim to preserve and grow their wealth exponentially over time. Early and consistent investment allows individuals to harness the power of compounding and achieve financial success. Wealthy individuals understand that to grow their wealth significantly, they must venture beyond the confines of traditional savings accounts. For example, consider the journey of Amanda, a diligent saver who understands the importance of investing her money wisely. Instead of depositing her savings in a standard savings account, Amanda allocates a portion of her income to investment opportunities that offer the potential for substantial returns. By embracing a diversified investment portfolio, she aims to not only preserve her wealth but also allow it to grow exponentially over time. Amanda's journey is a testament to the wealth-building power of strategic investments. 5. The principle of preserving wealth. What truly distinguishes prosperous individuals from the less affluent is their steadfast commitment to preserving their wealth. By safeguarding the principal amount invested and avoiding extravagant spending, individuals ensure their financial security for years to come. This unwavering commitment to preserving wealth sets them apart and ensures their financial stability amidst life's uncertainties. It's essential to recognize that while spending money is a natural part of life, the wealthy are adept at making choices that protect the principal and allow their wealth to continue growing. By adopting a disciplined approach to financial management and embracing practices that prioritize the preservation of wealth, individuals can pave the way for lasting financial security and prosperity. The journey to financial success and lasting wealth is a path filled with challenges and opportunities. By embracing the principles outlined in this video and making them an integral part of your financial journey, you can significantly enhance your financial well-being and secure a prosperous future. Remember, achieving financial success is not solely about the amount of money you earn, but rather how you manage and grow the money you have. By adopting these practices, you can chart a course for lasting prosperity and navigate the complexities of personal finance with confidence. As you navigate the complexities of personal finance and wealth building, it's essential to recognize that the journey to financial success is a marathon, not a sprint. By adopting the practices outlined in this video and making them an integral part of your financial journey, you can significantly enhance your financial well-being and secure a prosperous future. From meticulous expense tracking to unwavering financial discipline, from living below your means to making strategic investments and preserving your wealth, these principles offer a roadmap to financial success. We hope that this comprehensive video has provided you with valuable insights and inspiration to embark on your journey to financial success. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on personal finance, wealth building, and financial education.